Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset file association type in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to reset your file association type, so let's see how can I do that. So the very first thing you have to try, you just have to go to search and here just search for CMD. You might see command prompt. Just right click on this run and then click on run as administrator and then select yes. Now you must get this type screen. You just have to enter a code which is SMC space slash scan now. Now once you have entered, press enter from your keyboard. It will start a system scan which will completely scan your system, every file in your system, and if there will be any junk or corrupted file, it might be fixed in the steps. After that, you might not get these type errors again. Now once it's completed to 100%, you just have to go back and here just go to settings. Now once you are in settings, just select apps from here and then look for default apps. Now just scroll down and in the end you might see the option of reset all default apps. Just click on reset and then click OK. Now once you have done, it will completely reset all default apps or your association file type. So after that, you might not get these error again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.